Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I'm very excited to show you for the first time anywhere the brand new Strata-G Sectional Matrix System from Garrison Dental Solutions. Depending upon where you are in the world, there are different kit configurations available. This kit is the US Professional Kit. It has all of the instrumentation. Let's take a little bit closer look. This is by far our most complete sectional matrix system that we've ever put out on the market. We do have 5 sizes of the coated dead soft bands. The big changes are they have an enhanced marginal ridge to help you shape that. And then there is a new pedodontic size that comes standard in the kit now so that you can restore primary molars. The wedges have been completely redesigned. They've got a wonderful shape that sits deeper in the box because it is hollowed out underneath. It is flexible in the side walls. The rings have been completely modified. Each of these rings is built the same way. We've got a nitinol nickel titanium spring wire that's been specially treated with a PEEK plastic reinforcement and tips so that they're extremely durable as far as strength and resiliency, its ability to come back to its original shape over and over again. The new bands, the new wedges, the new rings have all been enhanced in sometimes kind of subtle ways to reduce flash and save you finishing and polishing time. Strata-G Sectional Matrix System from Garrison Dental Solutions.